Hey guys, today's video is going to be a Poshmark Q&A. Got a lot of questions. I might have to make this into 2 separate videos. First question. Hi, I love your videos. Thank you, Susan. You are one of the first people I found in the beginning to help me get started. Your Posh Q&As are awesome and your updates are great. Being able to view bundle conversations is creeper status. I agree, totally. But so glad I know about it now for other sellers that may seem a bit shady. I have 2 questions. Number 1, how long do you have to wait? Or what do you do when you have exceeded the amount of offers you can send to a buyer? Sometimes I'll have buyers who already have a couple of items in a bundle. I'll send an offer, no response or communication. And over the next couple of days, weeks, they add more. I try to be communicative and let them know that they can let me know when they're done shopping to send them an offer. But not everyone responds. So I'll send them an offer every few times something is added until I'm no longer able to. I think 3 times. Okay, so is there a limit on how many offers you can send? I didn't think there was. If there is, a way to get around that is to change the size of one of the items in the bundle. So actually I had to do that this morning. So basically there was a shirt in a bundle and I wasn't able to send her an offer for some reason. So maybe there is a limit. Maybe you're right. The size medium shirt, I went in and changed it to a large, saved the listing, and then I immediately went back in and changed it back to the right size. And then I was able to send her another offer. So yeah, maybe there is a limit. I did not know that. But yeah, that's a little trick that you can do if you're unable to send an offer. Also, if you have sent an offer to someone and you have like changed your mind on it, or sometimes I go a little crazy with the offers. Like if it's a day where I'm sending like tons of offers to likers, sometimes I'll like type the wrong price. Like one time I sent an $11 offer on like it was like a 50, I think I had it at $50. I'm like, oh shit balls. So to cancel that offer, because you can't cancel that offer as a seller. So to cancel that offer, a little trick is to go in and change the size and then obviously change it back to the right size. And then you're able to send them the correct offer. Okay, number 2, after a haul, how do you wash your items? What if they're new with tags? Okay, so everything that comes in from the thrift store, if I get like mystery boxes, I wash everything unless it's new with tags. If it's new with tags, I steam it. And a steamer is amazing. I actually got my mom to buy one recently because they're just, oh my gosh, they're amazing. The steamer that I have is pretty affordable. I think it's like 35 bucks. I have it linked in my Amazon shop. I will have it down below if you're interested. So yeah, that's what I do. I wash everything or I steam it because I don't like having things where I don't know, where they came from, who touched them. That grosses me out. So yes, immediately, like before I even haul the items, I wash everything. All right, next question. I love your videos. They've been so helpful. Thank you. You're welcome. Silly question. Should I save or delete the original photos of items posted? I have a ton of pics on my phone. I'm itching to delete, but worry I might need if a case gets opened. I've never yet had a case opened up against me, and I don't know if they only use the pics in the listing or if I need my original thoughts. Okay, so actually, Poshmark just upped their the amount of pictures you can put on a listing. It used to be 8, now it's 16. So I would try to utilize all those pictures. That's actually advice that I should take myself, so listen to yourself, Vanessa. So yeah, so that's a way that you can, have those pictures without, keeping them all on your phone. I know as soon as I list things, I delete them off my phone. So yeah, 16 pictures, that's a lot of pictures to take on items, I think that's good for like shoes because you can get like every angle and, but for like a sweatshirt, that's kind of like, okay, how many different angles can I get, so yeah, so that's what I would do. I would utilize the number of pictures that you can have in a listing, and that way it's not all on your phone. Next question. Hey Vad, love your videos. Thank you. I was wondering if you could do a video on how much you need to spend a month on inventory to make, say for instance, $1,000 a month, or any other amount is fine. Yeah, I could do that. It'd be a fun video. So yes, Yes, I will. I will do that video. I'll put that on my list of videos to make. Okay, next question. Hi, I hope everyone is feeling better. Thank you. Just wondering if there's a new date for the live video. I don't want to miss it. Okay, so this person's talking about my live stream that I am doing. So basically, I started this thing here on my channel. You can join my channel and you get perks. One of the perks is going to be a live stream every month. You'll get to interact with me live. It's going to be so much fun. I did have one scheduled for a week or a week and a half ago, I think it was, and I had to cancel it because Abilene was sick, my youngest. She's better now, which is great. I've actually rescheduled it to this Sunday, June 14th at 8 o'clock Eastern time. I will have info down below if you want to join my channel. So Jenny, that's when the next live stream is, June 14th, 8 o'clock Eastern time. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for being patient, by the way. This question was just random on one of my haul videos, and it says, can people scam you? So I'm assuming they're talking about like on Poshmark, can you get scammed? I mean, it's possible to get scammed everywhere in life, you know? But if you take precautions on Poshmark, you know, it's not gonna happen. I mean, I can make a video talking specifically about scams, like how to protect yourself if you think you're getting scammed. I mean, it's certainly possible. Like I said, you can get scammed on Poshmark, you can get scammed on eBay. I feel like eBay you're more apt to, because they have like less protection for sellers. But yeah, it is possible. Not likely if you take precautions. Question, not on topic, but does anyone know if Poshmark is working on selling between Canada and the US? I'm in Canada and a Posh ambassador, and I've seen a major flux in American profiles following me in the last 4 days. I didn't screenshot the rest of your comment. Oh wait, yes I did. In the last 4 days or so, especially American ambassadors. It sure would be awesome if they could do that in a way that shipping wouldn't be ridiculous. We are paying $12.99. We are paying $12.99 up here. Seeing all these new profiles got me curious. So I honestly don't know. I know that it's something that they had mentioned, but you're right, shipping costs would be kind of crazy. I know shipping to Canada, whenever I've shipped to Canada, not through Poshmark, but like other times I've shipped to Canada. My husband's so cute. He just texted me, do your stretches. I got back issues going on right now and I have to do stretches every day. He's so cute. So yeah, so I don't know if they are trying to do that. Keep an eye out on the Poshmark Instagram and their blog, because that's where they have, you know, the latest news regarding that, or anything else for that matter. Next question. Hey Vanessa, are you starting to see a drop in sales on your fall long sleeve items? No, I'm not. So I sell, like in my closet, I sell a lot of hoodies, and I've still been selling hoodies all throughout time. I mean, it's what is it, what are we in, June? It's June now. It's almost summer, almost officially summer, you know, warm weather, but people are still buying hoodies. I haven't really been selling jeans as much though. I have noticed that, but yeah, I've still been selling like hoodies and long sleeve shirts. So no, that is it for this Q&A. I have a bunch more questions. I feel like I'm so behind on these Q&As. You guys asked me so many good questions, and I need to keep up with them. So yeah, so that's it for this Q&A. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. Like I said, if you want to join this channel and get in on my live streams, I will have info down below. My first one is Sunday, June 14th at 8 o'clock Eastern time. It's gonna be a good time. I'm gonna have to probably take a nap that day because I'm usually in bed by 8 o'clock. Not gonna lie, as soon as Abilene is in bed, Mama's in bed. Also, if you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KEEPINITRAD. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.